For this salsa, we're actually going to be using the peppers I've been growing. So you can see these are the Tabasco peppers. I know it's kind of a unusual pepper to use in salsas. It is used in the Tabasco, actually like the Tabasco sauce. But yeah, today we're going to be using it just to try out, you know, the peppers I've been growing for so long. So yeah, we're just going to pick the two ripe ones. I don't know if you want to show them these two red ones. But yeah. Alright, so I'll just take them off. It's pretty simple. Okay, or yeah, that's easier. There we go. That's pretty much it. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm joined by my dad, Alberto Arguelles, or more specifically, Alberto Gustavo Arguelles, because we share the same name. But yeah, if you wanna explain the ingredients, what we have here.
Okay. Well, this is a secret recipe that we would like to share with the world. It comes from my grandmother, but we'll be glad to share it with you. You can use any kind of oil, vegetable oil recommended, chicken broth, vinegar, and this is apple cider vinegar. Chicken broth is half a cup. We're gonna give you the recipe exactly. Garlic, fresh, 1 tomato, 1/2 onion, 2 Tabasco peppers.
Yeah, those are the ones that I grew. You don't have to include them, but we're just trying to add on.
We sell them online. And this is chile morita. This is dry. So what we do is we put it in water like an hour ago to make them soft before we put them in the blender. Salt, pepper, oregano, and tomatillo.
Tomatillos.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna fry onion and garlic, and then after that we put everything on the blender with salt and pepper and oregano, and then we boil it. We work it that way because when you boil it, it reduces, you know. So it's kind of doing it a little backwards, because sometimes to do a tomatillo sauce, you boil it first, but here we're doing it back.
You're kind of comfortable with the salsa, right? Like you made it before.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Is it spicy at all?
It's half spicy. This is not too spicy, but it gives it a real good kick, and it enhances the flavor of any kind of food you're eating. You could use it on chicken, on fish, on beef, on pork, anything, and it will enhance. You can even on tostadas, ceviche, you know. So this salsa is good for everything.
So my dad's kind of a master chef, but let's move on with the first step.
We're just gonna fry the onions and the garlic. Okay. Avocado oil to fry.
So while your onions and garlic are frying, you want to start cutting your vegetables, right? So what do you do?
Yeah, we just cut it. We take the stem and tallito. We take them out because it gives us sour flavor. So just make sure that they don't have it. And the same here with the tomato. We kind of take that out, and we cut it in pieces to put it on the help the blender. We put the 2 peppers, and heat without the water. Actually, water will help. There's 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
6.
Put that all in.
You put a chicken broth and we put 1
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon vinegar and vegetable oil 1 tablespoon.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we blend it.
Some salt.
Salt, pepper. Alright.
Salt and pepper and oregano is kind of by feeling to taste, so you can add later on. Okay. And finally, we add the
After frying or
garlic.
How long do you fry it for?
Just to make it brown, you know,
Yeah.
it'll get some flavor.
Again, we've fried it in avocado oil, which I'm not sure we included. But yeah, you put all that in. It's kind of a bit full, but let's see how it ends up. All right.
Okay. So what you do is you try a little bit to see if it needs salt.
All right. What was I saying? So does it need more salt?
Yeah, probably needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna add salt. And then it's ready to boil. When it's boiling, it'll mix the salt too. So we boil it a few minutes just to make it
Kind of
thicker.
Yeah, that's right. The substance kind of becomes thicker, as he said. So that's pretty much it. Just let it boil for a bit, and then yeah, we'll return it when it's done to try it. So yeah, we've been boiling it for a while now. Again, you just boil it until it changes how like thick it is. So yeah, it's almost done for us right now.
You want a thickness like this?
So thanks, Dad. We already finished with the salsa. We served it up. Now all that's left is to try it and see how good it turned out. So yeah, let's do that. You can try it with tortilla chips, you know, like any little snacks, or we're trying it with tacos that we made earlier. So yeah, let's try that.
It's really good. But a taco will be better.
It's definitely a different taste. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I'll try my taco. See how it tastes.
Good stuff.
I agree. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for coming on and making us a salsa. What did you call it again?
Tomatillo and chile morita. That's the two main peppers. In this case, we introduced the 2 Tabascos just to give it a little kick. It's not bad. It's really good.
All right. Well, yeah. Thanks again. That's pretty much it. If you want like a more specific rundown of the ingredients, check the description down below, and there'll be a kind of pamphlet sort of thing with the list of recipes, a little bit more specifically, and then a little step-by-step. And yeah, if you want to check out any more salsas, if you like this one, check out our other videos with my other family members who also introduced your kind of salsas to us. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and thank you. Bye.